arm.
There we go, there we go. Hey, yo.
They don't fit. Wrong one.
Mustang Gang 50J, TBR Jason. You already know we got the Tacoma. The TRX engine is in that right now. TRX engine. We got the Z-Sidey. Already know they pulled up.
That thing is R35 swap.
Already know. We got the hater from all the videos. By the way,
I mean,
what you gotta say, hater?
It's not even a Nismo for real.
Bro, for real, like. Nah. Look, man, y'all pulled up here. Guess what? We gotta leave. Don't got the industrial jack.
What's he got? See what you got? Jackson, bro. Oh yeah.
You don't want to get caught with expired plates.
You got it. Look at it.
Oh, Mills, PD.
Look at that.
Thang gang, you already know. Hurry up, get in the cars. About to race the Mustang versus the Tacoma.
Hey, don't show the inside of my car.
Oh, I'm gonna show it. Girls, if you hop in the car with 50J, this is what you gonna see. Ah!
Wow.
Get your life together, son. It's the raw video footage. Let me put this on the 0.5 for y'all. Oh.
Can't get too loose, man. It's raining.
It's raining, man. What you doing? Hey, this look like I'm in a video game right here. Hey, this is tough. Stop playing with them.
Where's the strap?
Huh?
You know how characters hold a strap.
Oh,
like
yeah.
this?
Look like GTA. This is the third POV right here. What you talking about? You got the stuff?
Yeah, dude, I got the stuff.
No way, bro. So tell them what we doing. We ain't really talk about the video. We putting spacers on the car.
Yeah, man. So basically, the fitment on the front of a stock factory PP1 is whack. So you gotta add like 25 millimeters.
PP not big enough. Basically, is what he's trying to say. He trying to get a girth.
Need more girth
on the PP1. PP1 need a bigger PP.
Bigger PP. So I'm adding 25 millimeter spacers to the front to bring the tires out and make the fitment look a little better. So it'll look a little more crisp.
How many inches is that?
25 millimeters.
I say inches.
I don't even think it's an inch.
We in America.
Look, they're right there on the floor. They're right there.
How about I had you about 5 inch right there.
Yeah, so it's gonna add just a little space and make the wheel fitment look. We're gonna show y'all before and after. Yeah, it's gonna make it look
I'm gonna bring the ruler out so they know.
Oh yeah. And I got these on Facebook Marketplace, $40. Usually they're like $80 for a pair.
Where did you buy this?
Bought them yesterday.
Yeah.
After soccer.
For real?
Yeah. Put these on there. It's rainy. It's gonna be raining all week. I'm supposed to get my exhaust done tomorrow, so that's gonna be another.
We gonna combine the videos.
We're gonna combine.
What time you getting the exhaust done?
I don't know. Caesar, my boy Caesar. Shout out my boy El Chavo Caesar on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? He got a 502, so he gonna take mine to the exhaust shop while I'm at work. And by the time I get off work, my shit gonna be loud again. Well, loud. Right now.
Ooh, baby.
Not loud enough right now.
Not loud enough. Sound like a
stock.
Sound like a Camry,
Sound like a little Camry.
Sound like Charles Acura.
Type. What is it? Type
I love
S?
it, Charles. Type S.
Cause it was your love.
Don't forget the S. Don't forget the S. Sport.
Type S. Shout out my boy Bubba. Like, look at the front.
Bro, this dude only bought 2 spacers. Bro.
Look, the front needs more. Look. Drop in the comments below if the back really needs spacers. It really don't.
Bro, let me drop in the comments below if you would buy 2 spacers or 4. Let me see.
Can't even see the tires.
Okay, I see what you're talking about, cut. Let me see. You know what I'm saying? I see what I see. Nah, this ain't shit, boy. You should got 4.
He bought 2 spacers. Nah, it's gonna align better with the rear tire.
Guys, you guys need to make sure to like, comment, subscribe so I can start giving him a salary.
Yeah, I
for
need
the
a
video.
salary, guys. CubanSRT don't pay me enough.
Yeah, pay him about $1 a video. You know the vibes.
I'm gonna wait till your daddy get out here, then he gonna start cussing to us in Cuban.
Like, hey, ¿qué cojones, qué pinga estás haciendo aquí? So how much you paying C's for this service?
C's, how much you want for this?
$50. C's charged now. He charged his money.
You gotta loosen the lugs before you take the wheel off the ground.
Boy, hey, that thing made life so much easier. That boy got the Milwaukee. Okay, I see you. Josh, show that Milwaukee.
What would you do for a Milwaukee trash can?
I'll get naked right now. It's Milwaukee. Come on.
And the 24's too big.
Bro, next time you come prepared, bro.
Bro.
Come on, man.
Yeah, I was relying. Hey, what did C's tell me on the phone? I got everything you need, man. I'm just waiting for you. I said, bring stock.
Wait, what in the world? What in the world, boy? What you got going on? This not even Milwaukee, bro. This is Craftsman. They lying to me, man.
Lie.
They're not gonna like that in the comments.
I told you this.
The keyboard warriors.
I told you this. Gracias.
Y este lo puedo usar también en esta punta, que nomás no tiene que usar el socket.
¿Con ese?
Con ese.
Oh, shoot. Gracias.
Pero si hay que hacerle mucha fuerza, afloja con la palanca primero y después le da.
Ok, está bien. Gracias.
Miren aquí más.
Muchas gracias.
About to start pouring, boy.
What? It fit in the rear. I don't know what happened. Look.
Said it. What the?
Oh, it's because I strapped this one a little bit. Look, you see that? It's on all of them.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good, bro. Look, C's just trying to give me a hard time.
King Buddha's not giving his nod of approval, bro. He like, what the hell going on here? What the? He hit the car? Did you hit the car?
Nah. Why are they so loose? I don't know, man. It's a little concerning, isn't it? Maybe that's why my steering wheel jiggles.
Whoa. It's not good. Hey, bro, it's really pouring out. Hey, we making videos out in the rain, bro. You already know. It messed up for that one fight.
For real?
Yeah, it started pouring and everything. That boy said, I ain't doing nothing. That boy said, I'm chilling.
We could have done this junk at my house.
Just break them. Bruh.
Bro, Josh got the thing, don't he?
Josh.
Why don't you say nothing, Josh?
Hey, just
Because y'all got brains too.
Just.
But you got a bigger brain.
Y'all talking about.
Bro, ay la verga.
Don't loosen those all the way, because when you jack that side, all the weight's gonna come to this side.
Boy, you know what he look like? He look like a grandma trying to work on the car.
You know what, man?
She's about to put on the big boy pants on.
So just break them then, right?
Dude.
I wouldn't even loosen them until I was finished with that side.
Yeah, bro.
That's me personally.
That's just him, though. That's just him, bro. You do your thing.
You're in the right spot? You sure?
Yeah.
Boy don't know what the hell, bro.
I jacked my car up before.
That boy don't know what he doing, bro. Hey, look. Put in the comments if you think he know what he doing. He don't know, bro. He don't know. I know, but he don't know. Hey man, I don't know what he got going on. I got my boy Cesar Chavez, Chapo Garcia, goddamn. You already know, man. Look, I'ma just eat my Doritos. I'm charging him by the hour to use my parking lot, so no tent, nothing in the rain. Bruh, what's y'all favorite Dorito? For real? Hey, hold on, Wesley. What you got going on, boy? Need an umbrella for real. Boy, what the hell?
Which lugs are going on my car, on my wheel? This one?
Those are gonna lock the spacer to the.
To this?
Yeah. So those are gonna lock the spacer to the.
You want a chip, bro? Open your mouth. Boy, you thought, what the fuck?
Boy! I know you did not just get me doing that on camera.
That boy kind of sus, ain't he?
And then your lugs are gonna tighten to the spacer.
Bro, these Brembos are dirty. These Brembos are loving.
That boy kind of sus. Bro. They turning red again. Holy shit. I need to do that tomorrow.
They don't fit.
They not the wrong ones because they came off another Mustang.
Yo, they came out of a 5.0. I mean, a premium.
You still got the lemon pepper steppers on.
That boy got the worst shoes on.
Michael, you got a mallet?
You sure that's the right one, bro?
Yeah. They came off another Mustang, literally.
I think I need oil.
Yeah, you got WD-40?
How much you pay?
I think I need oil.
How much you pay for them?
$40.
40? Yeah. They 50 brand new.
No, they're not. They're 80. There you go.
There you go. Okay. I see you.
Alright.
MJM.
You know what you're doing, bro?
I see you. Hey, don't do this at home. I wouldn't. He doing it at my house, but I wouldn't do it. Me personally.
Don't do this without adult supervision.
I get dirty, you know what I'm saying? But you see what's on the wrist? Very classy watch, you know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Very nice.
He trying to be his own mechanic. He got money to buy a mechanic. I don't know. I mean, I'll just pay somebody by the hour, you know? Like, I'm charging him by the hour to use the drive-thru, so.
Y'all going to the gym?
Goddamn shit got stuck.
I said it, pero que es eso? I said it.
What? I feel like y'all just laughing at me. Just sitting over here just laughing at me.
Bro, Josh enjoying this too much. Look at his smile, bro.
Josh, new cameraman. Wait, don't you gotta get it? Don't you gotta get in and hit the brakes?
Would you like me to?
Yeah, man. You get in there and hit the brakes for it?
Want me to start it too?
No.
Alright.
Get in there and just,
Better down.
Why you gotta hit the brakes?
cause it's spinning.
Signal.
Good?
Where you see it spinning at? Oh, I know what you're saying.
Look, you see?
Yeah.
Why is it still spinning?
I'm hitting him.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
He wasn't.
Found days of
Yo, playing with you, boy. I'm gonna charge this real quick. Look, he is. I got proof. We did it, boys. We did it. Boy, Jason got it going.
You know what I'm saying?
Just gotta put it on.
MJM.
You know what I'm saying?
Do a little tire inspection.
Okay, okay. Boy, on the Cheeto puss. He a Atlanta girl. Yeah. On Cheeto puss. City boy right there. Go ahead. He's strong. He been going to the gym. Okay.
God damn.
Damn, boy, come on.
Line up the holes in the studs. There you go. Then put the wheel on it.
There you go.
Lemon peppers.
Come on, man.
Why is this damn tire so heavy?
Bro, you've been skipping. You skipped the gym last week.
Oh, them arms.
There we go. There we go. Yeah. Hey, yo, yo, yo. Them leg days been working, boy. Yo, that's what I like to see. MJM.
What's wrong with it?
He needs a new brake pad,
Hey,
buddy.
Zach.
Hey, Zach. Found days of.
Bro, you on the other
break.
side.
Start it
Jesus
now.
Christ.
Just starting now.
Nah, I need new
Your
brake
pads are worn, sir. You're gonna need some new brake shoes.
You want the new
recommend-
5.0.
I need
Bro, see, you
Ceramic
see that
brake
shit,
shoes.
boy? What the hell?
Let's see what.
All them water bottles.
Bro.
This is trash can.
Bro, y'all stop.
We love.
At least I washed the outside.
The tornado went through that, Johnny, bro.
Bruh,
I'm on it.
that shit slipped.
It's because it's wet outside.
I doubt it. Stop, bro.
I'm lying, bro.
He's doing it for the f***ing camera. Cause when my knuckle goes into this concrete,
You gonna be feeling some type of way.
You gonna see Jesus.
this window ain't gonna help you right here.
Oh, your hand over here too much to move.
Dad's tool.
He broke my dad's tool, bro. What the?
I'm gonna go buy him a new one, but
He gonna be like, outside, I can't ping. I see it.
you ready?
Go ahead, go ahead. He gonna be scared.
Oh yeah.
Nah, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
That was not the reaction I was expecting.
Nah, eso es cheap, man.
Yeah, se rompió cuando yo estaba diciendo.
No, yo tengo más ahí, yo tengo más.
Ok, está bien. Está
¿Hace
bien.
falta otro?
No, está, ya tú.
¿Qué cojones haces rompiendo las cosas mías?
Gracias por dejarme usar esa cosa.
Oh, I'm from Florida. Get my water out from Florida.
You just gotta get a little thing and knock it out.
It's broke. I don't want it.
What you know about that Sonic the Hedgehog?
That's Knuckles, bro.
I knew that. I knew that. See, whoa! YouTube, hey, chill out. We gotta blur that out.
It has an orange tip.
Bro,
What?
It's an airsoft gun.
what do you mean by orange tip? What do you mean by that?
The orange tip shows you that it's not a real gun. It's a prop.
You know how he was in SWAT, so he would know.
See, you ever use one of those? The beanbag one?
Oh, this?
The beanbag shotgun.
No.
The non-lethal.
Does that hurt? The
Hell
non-lethal?
yeah.
It'll drop you.
Dang.
You getting shot with the beanbag with a shotgun.
Whoa, why you going down like that? Whoa, relax.
Follow gun.
Bro, you doing the exhaust tomorrow? That boy finished it. Quality a little better right now. I gotta use my phone for the light. What y'all think? What y'all think, fam?
Looks pretty good now.
That boy's had trouble on this, my boy. What is your honest review about doing this yourself?
Make sure you have the right tools beforehand. And
Well, you had all the right tools. What you mean?
if you have like an air impact gun, this job would have been done like 5 minutes. If you have a lift, an air jack, you're all good, bro. That's all you need.
Talk to him. Talk to him. Boy, Jason, we taking care of your car. Don't worry. About to start up here for the first time. Let's hear it. Okay. Got a little bit to it. Yo, sound good. I think it's sounding good, my boy. Yes, sir. What you think? My boy like, I don't know.
What you think?
I think it sound good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
It sound way better. Plus you don't got that shit hanging no more.
Yeah.
How much it cost?
140?
148. What did he do? An X pipe?
Cat back with an
Cat back with an X pipe and his one pair of spacers, bro.
One pair.
And his one pair of spacers. 30 is staying in Fayetteville, man. You already know. That boy you need to stop putting it in the mud, bro.
It ain't mine.
Hey, okay. He took the water bottles out. Okay, I see you, Jason. Got the cat lined up. Yeah, lined up.
I'll give you some red.
I'll give you some revs. That thing loud as hell, boy. That's
So
crazy.
we're going?
Yeah.
I'm gassing. Go ahead.
Boy, you about to get fired. That boy like a kid at the candy shop. They about to hate you at work now.
Yo, that X pipe makes it sound a little more raspier.
I need to get that shit, goddamn.
It sounds a little more raspier than yours, don't it?
It does sound different.
Everything's funny. Oh, they made that shit look official.
Yeah, but they didn't do it in the driveway.
That don't look official. Nah. Shout out my boy Caesar right here. You know what I'm saying? My boy got me right. My 5.0 sounds better than his now.
Oh,
So
leave in the comments below. I'm about to
Look.
put 2 clips comparison.
when we go to Castador, you bring in the 5.0.
Hey, we gotta do that thing
We're
again.
gonna do a rev match. We're gonna do a rev battle. We're gonna see who sound better. I don't know what you think, Steve. There you go. But yeah,
Yes, sir.
appreciate the gang. Hey, y'all boys real ones though, for real.